Here in New York, we have picked the best show of the season. There's only one for C&D, and it's the Blondes. Every single model is wearing a unique piece of art. So everything is custom, everything is original, and everything is detailed to the hilt.
We're backstage at the Blonde Show for Spring/Summer 2014, and this season, C&D has created 36 masterpieces of art. At C&D, we believe that nails are the ultimate fashion accessory, and we share that vision with the Blondes, so it's a perfect partnership.
C&D really is the leader of anticipating trends. We do research on color and textures. The colors are out of this world. They're very galactic. When you look at the nails, it's nothing but shine. Every single one of them is adorned with fangs and reptilian-like textures.
Every season we go to C&D. It's so incredible the amount of detail work that they do.
C&D is to work with every season, okay? That's basically what happened here. It's what happened last season. It's what happened this season. Jan is amazing. Her team is amazing. The nails are incredible.
You know, our goal is to always thrill and delight beyond imagination, and I think we've done that this season.